Good morning. So we are finally in the season where I am constantly fighting against the sun. It's either in my eyes or setting way too early. So yeah, I figured this week I'll do a semi-easy-ish project. And if you know me, you know it means I'm gonna do a lot more than I anticipated, and somehow it's gonna turn out all right. The project for this week is going to be a sweater vest. I'm in the process of just using yarn that I already have instead of buying new yarn. So a while ago I bought some Tweed Delight from Hobbii, and I got two colors. I think something clay and Marshland? I don't remember my order history. If I figure it out, maybe I'll put down in the description which yarns I used in case you want to make this. But yeah, I had made another sweater out of one color, so I still had a whole bunch of like the green, and yeah, I'm just gonna try to use that up, make something cute out of it, you know? It's the best thing I can do, and best thing I can think of for the amount of yarn that I have is to make a sweater vest. So last night I did start making squares. I just wanted to see how the colors look together. It's, you know, somewhat good practice to do a swatch, I guess. But this is how they came out, and I think it's pretty cute. So I have a good amount of these squares with like the little, it looks pink, and I don't remember what the color is called, but I have a good amount with like that little bit in the middle and the green around it. So I'm just gonna finish up making all of my squares. I don't know how many I need. 30 something, maybe 40 something. We'll see. Hopefully I don't make this one too big for me too. I would really like to be able to wear my project this week. So let's get to it. Crafting and stuff. Hey there, it's now 4:14, the sun is setting, I have finished all of my squares. I think I'm calling it for today, but the good news is I have that and a whole other skein of yarn left over. I think I might just have just enough to do this. Yeah. Alright, so I started working on the ribbing, and I tried going 3 stitches up, but I felt like I was running out of yarn a lot faster than I should, so I went down to 2 stitches up, and I think it's looking nice. I got my my neck hole done and one arm done, and I think I have enough to get my other arm and my waistband done. I really don't know if I have enough. I'm hoping that I have just enough. So yeah, I'm gonna finish my ribbing, and then we're gonna block this project, you know? And by block this project, I mean we're gonna get it in some warm-ish water with soap and help it felt and stretch out and all that fun stuff. And then we're gonna dry it in towels. Okay, I'm gonna finish my ribbing. Hello, welcome to the end of the video. I've made a sweater vest. I very much like it. I am someone who is always cold, so having something to just give me a little extra layer of warmth is very good. And it means I can wear all of my light, fun, fluffy, summery dresses without, worrying about being too cold. So yeah, I don't think if I had a choice in what colors I used, I would go with these two together. I like them separately, not so much together. I think it's cute. I think with what I had, somehow I managed to make this. I think I would have liked maybe a third color, maybe like a more neutral tone, maybe like brown or something, but it is what it is. I'm happy with it. I think it's awfully cute as it is, and I think it's gonna get a lot of use. I did not block this. I will tell you right now, I did not do that because I finished my sweater vest. I was showing my husband and I was about to go do it, and I said, Rick, do I want to block anything tonight? And he said, no, you look tired. And I said, you're right, I am tired. So I won't block it. And I didn't. But I do recommend blocking something that is mostly made out of wool. It felts it a little bit and it helps it be a bit more structurally sound. So this will be blocked at some point, just not right now. Yeah. Oh, I did have enough of this green to make a little headband, so I probably could have gone a bit more extreme on my armband ribbings. As it stands, it's fine. I'm not upset with this. It just means I can wear this with like more billowy shirts and sweaters and things. But when you're on a yarn crunch and you're worried that you are not going to have enough yarn, you do what you do. And then with your leftover yarn, make a headband. And maybe make a hair tie. I have been really liking making headbands, so, just having fun. And yeah, I think that's all I really have to say about this project. It was just quick, easy, and helped me use up some yarn that's just been sitting around. If you haven't been able to tell, I am really, really, really trying to just use up all of my yarn before I go and buy new yarn. Yeah, stash busting. I got a lot of yarn to go through, but yeah. Sweater vest is done. I will put down in the description the colors I used, because I did find them. So if you wanted to make this too, you'll have the colors I used. In total, I used 4 plus that 1. So I used just under 5 skeins to make this for myself, which I think is pretty good for, the size of the skein and all that jazz. If I were to make this again, which I might, I would just go up to like an even 6 skeins for myself personally. just so I can get the shape I like, the ribbing length I like. You know, small things. Nothing big, nothing drastic. And yeah, next week I think we'll try to get my Etsy store up and running again. Stash busting still, but you know, making other things, little things that are easy to mail out. So yeah, if you enjoy watching me make things, I've been crocheting an awful lot lately. It's cold season, so I like being warm. I will be crocheting a lot more, I think. If you enjoy this type of content, consider sticking around. I post most Saturdays. I'll try to get back on like every week, but you know, every other week works best for me. I might just do that for a good long while again. Consider subscribing, consider leaving a comment. Leave a comment if there's like a little thing you want to see me make and put on my Etsy shop. Because like, you know, washcloths and face scrubbies and little bags are cute and all, but what if there's something else? Something tiny that maybe there's a market for? You know, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.